Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. Market pricing higher today went to 502.20 despite the resistance is 503.50. Looks like this one wants to go to the 508 resistance level. Support 80 and 492, below that 486 and 480. So far, twice price broke below the 80 recovered immediately. So that is a bullish sign. And at least until it breaks below it and doesn't recover, stay long. Lucid, keep an eye on this one. Reports earnings soon. Next, as that is next week. It's testing the 50 SMA. This one had a very disappointing time. IPO skyrocketed and then imploded from, what was it, 50 down to pennies, $2.67. And now it's trying to recover. So this is still below this low at 362. 362 is actually right at the level. Most importantly, it's testing the 50 SMA. And it spotted today some interesting repeated, very unusual call option flow. So I think this has a potential to go higher. And if it does, the strike price was around 435 and 200 SMA. That's 579. Let's see what it does. It's intriguing. Support is 340 and 310. RIVN is a swing that is taking a time, is built in a base, fingers crossed. The technicals are returning bullish with good volume a few days ago, today, call option flow increase. Now this one had a big dark pool activity a few days ago, 7.2 million share, 1686, still below it, so bearish from the standpoint. However, the technicals are improving. I think, unfortunately, this one won't move until we have earnings. And, we earnings never know which direction is going to go, so that's a gamble. Hopefully, the move will come before that. Our first target is 1741, above that 19 and 21. Support is the same, 16 and 15. Tesla also on the move. It's entering this gap area, swing idea by Susan. I like the look of this. If you fill this gap, it will test the next resistance at 208. The support 194 and today low. So targets is that we got 208, big resistance. Eventually, if we move past that, then we're looking at 219 and the 50 SMA. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.